In this video, you will learn how to set up your brixxbox database firewall so that you can access your database from outside the brixxbox. If you need to access your brixxbox Microsoft Azure SQL database, you'll need to open the firewall for your client PC. A typical use case would be a nightly data transfer from the brixxbox to another system, or the other way around. Or it could be a maintenance purposes. To open the firewall is pretty easy. Just create a new entry for an IPv4 address and give it a meaningful name. Let's say Office Volker, and enter an IP address or a range. If you are unsure about your public IP address, just go to a website like whatsmyip.com and see there your public IPv4 address. Just create that, and this firewall should be open to my client PC right now. The connection information to the database are available at connection info, and from this connection string you'll need the user ID, the password, server, and initial catalog. If your database access software supports connection strings, you could just click this button and copy the connection string to your clipboard. Then enter it in your software and connect to your database. I hope you learned something and have a nice day.